Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Charge 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive button right here on the side of the device. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen like this to scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. And in settings you should see the first option, brightness, and to change the brightness simply tap on this option, and you can keep tapping to scroll through different levels of brightness. We have auto, dim and normal. Select the brightness you like to use and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you change or rather adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.